Hello and welcome. Now today I'm going to be changing the fan assembly in this 2004 Pontiac Vibe. Now it's be about the same as the Toyota Matrix. Change out with the full assembly. Now it does have the coolant reservoir built in, so you want to make sure you do it when it's cool. Now this is the one I'm using, so let's just get right to work. Alright, now here under the hood, here's where the coolant reservoir is plugged in. This one's simple, just like that. Now we got two 10mm bolts to remove. One here and one over here. Now we unplug the harness. Grab one side, push in the little button, and pull. Now we simply just lift up. You can see over here, these little tabs, that's where the new one slides in at. It ends here. It'll pop right into place. You take your 10mm, get the screws started, and they don't have to be real tight. You snug them down once they're in place. We'll plug the fan back in. And there are some little wire tabs that hold it in place where the wiring should be. We'll put those back. And then be sure to connect the hose back to the radiator. Then of course, add some fresh coolant in the new reservoir. There it is. That's all there is to it. I think it's extremely easy, really quick to do by yourself in your driveway, minimum tools, no need to pay a shop at all really to do that one at all. So I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.